My name is Anjali. Welcome to the free online course in English Grammar by Live and Learn. I hope you enjoy this lesson and I hope you find it useful. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this lesson with anybody that you know who might also be interested in improving their English by learning English grammar. Thank you. Let's move on to the lesson. Live and Learn, free online course in English grammar. Lesson 7. Determiners, Part 1. Articles, Part 1. Determiners determine or specify the meaning of the nouns that follow them to make the meaning clearer. Determiners include the 3 articles, and they are 3 of the most important words in the English language. The 3 articles are a, an, and the. They go before nouns. They make it clear whether the noun or nouns that follow them are being referred to in either general, indefinite, or specific, definite ways. A and an are called indefinite articles because they refer to people, animals, places, things, or ideas in indefinite ways, which means non-specific ways. They are used to indicate one thing in general out of that type of thing. They are only used with singular nouns or collective nouns, which, as you will remember, are treated like singular nouns. The use of a or an is determined by the sound of the word they precede. A is used if the noun following it starts with a hard consonant sound. Examples: a girl, a family, a herd, a team, a mango, a guitar, a fish. An is used if the noun following it starts with a soft vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an igloo, an instructor, an egg, an orange, an ink stain, an unlisted number. The U in unlisted is pronounced softly as a. If the vowel sound is hard like a consonant, a is used. Examples: a uniform. The U is pronounced fully as U. A unicorn. The U is pronounced fully as U. A one-legged man. The O is pronounced as wa. An is used if the noun following it starts with a silent H. Examples: an hour, an honest woman, an honor. Definite article, the. The is called the definite article because it specifies particular or definite people, animals, places, things, or ideas. It is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and collective nouns. Examples: the book, the books, the boy, the boys, the apple, the apples, the truth, the team, the teams. Correct use of a and an. 1. A or an can be used to mean one. The bus leaves in an hour. My car needs a new tire. 2. A or an can be used to mean any or every. They can also be used to describe a type of person, animal, place, thing, idea, quality, or situation. A child needs love. A dog is a loyal and loving pet. Every dog is the type of animal that can be a loyal and loving pet, or any dog has the qualities necessary to be a loyal and loving pet. 3. A or an can be used to suggest a particular person, animal, place, or thing. A Mr. Smith called while you were out. Someone in particular whose name is Mr. Smith called while you were out. There is a bench in the park where we can sit and have lunch. 4. A or an can be used to make a common noun out of a proper noun. He is such a good writer that he is going to be a Shakespeare. The is used in the following ways. 1. It is used when we want to refer to a particular unnamed person or group of people, unnamed animal or animals, unnamed place or places, things. It is placed before the names of some countries, if they are plural or if they start with words such as republic, united, kingdom, or federal. Before the names of some books, newspapers, and magazines. Be careful here. It is not placed before the names of all books and magazines, but this is usually clear, because if it is not necessary, it will not be part of the title of the book or magazine. Before some ideas or thoughts. Examples: the man, the women, the elephants, the goldfish, the ocean, the village, the town, the oil, the truth, the United States of America, the Netherlands, the Times of India, the Reader's Digest. 2. The is used when we want to talk about something specific that is being referred to, has already been referred to, or is understood in that context. Examples: do you like any of those hats? Yes, I like the blue hat with the feathers on it. She decided to enroll for the English course that her friend had joined. Her friend had already joined. The book that I wanted to read was in the library. Here it is understood that the particular book I wanted to read was in the particular library I used. He was so happy about the job offer. The job offer has already been made. 3. The is used when a singular noun describes all other nouns of its type. This type of use is more common in scientific or literary writing than in normal or business writing. Examples: mangoes are the sweetest fruit. Fruit here refers to all types of fruit. The mango is the sweetest fruit. Here the singular noun mango represents all mangoes. The rose is the queen of flowers. Here the singular noun rose represents all roses. The bee is becoming extinct. Here the singular noun bee represents all bees. 4. The is used before the names of things that are one of a kind, as long as they are not proper nouns, i.e. names. Examples: the sun, the sky, the earth. 5. The is placed before a common noun, to give it an abstract or general meaning. Examples. Her back was against the wall, but that just brought out the fighter in her. Here, the common noun fighter preceded by the means the fighting spirit. She understood the child in him. Here, the common noun child preceded by the refers to his childlike aspect or his childhood conditioning. Six, the is used before a proper noun when it is modified by an adjective or a group of words. Examples. The incomparable Anita. The irritating Miss Reed. I am talking about the David Jones in your office. I am talking about that particular man called David Jones. 7. The is used with superlatives or to emphasize a comparative. Examples. It is the most interesting film I have ever seen. Superlative. That was the best fried chicken I have ever tasted. Superlative. He was the most annoying man she had ever met. Superlative. He was happy about his success, but he was all the happier that his enemies had failed. Comparative. The millionaire was the wealthier for his early struggle. Comparative. The more the merrier. Comparative. The sooner the better. Comparative. He exercises every day now, and he is so much the better for it. Comparative. Eight. The is used with dates and references to particular positions in a sequence or order. Examples. The conference was arranged for the 1st of November. Term starts on the 20th of September. She was the first to agree that they should all work together as a team. Sunday is the 7th day of the week. 9. D is placed before the names of musical instruments when they are used in a general way. Examples. She plays the sitar very well. He is learning to play the saxophone. 10. The is used before an adjective when the noun is missed out because it is understood. Examples. The difference between the rich and the poor is how they are treated. The noun that has been missed out here is people. This sentence can also be written as the difference between rich people and poor people is how they are treated. 11. The is used before a noun to give it the full force of a superlative. In this case, it is usually emphasized by italics. Examples. He is the man. This is the place to be. Well done! You have completed this lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson and you found it useful, please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know anyone who is also interested in improving their command of English by learning English grammar, please share this video lesson with them. If you would like to buy the Live and Learn English Grammar textbook, you can buy it as an ebook or as a paperback from the Amazon website that serves your country of residence. There are some links in the description box below the video. The book does go deeper into aspects of grammar, and it also contains exercises with answers, so you can monitor your own progress. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.